Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Chewy. So let me take you to the website, which is chewy.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Chewy is one of the largest online pet supply retailers in the United States of America, offering pet food, treats, toys, medication, accessories, and veterinary services for dogs, cats, birds, fish, reptiles, and other pets. The platform is highly popular among pet owners because of its large product catalog, subscription ownership service, and a strong customer loyalty. So, what you're waiting for, if you want to buy something for your pet or anything you want to explore, you can come to the website and see amazing products that they offer. But you guessed it right, we are here to earn money from Chewy. Possible? Of course it is. You simply join the affiliate program of Chewy, start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and as usual, when you bring sales to them, you get commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission. No restriction found about the affiliate location. So regardless of your country, you can still apply to be a part of Chewy affiliate program. And to the consumers of United States and Canada, only you could promote them in order to receive commission. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the affiliate program page of Chewy. I'm going to mention the link in the video description. So how exactly it works, you join, you earn commission, you get access to thousands of pet brands, you build a personalized Chewy storefront, get a dedicated support, and stay ahead with regular updates. And if you scroll down, you can see choose your partner path. So you can apply to be an affiliate or you can apply to be a creator. So affiliate program is for people having website or blog. However, if you do not have a website or blog, or rather you want to promote them on social media account, let's say TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, you can go with creator. Anyone who want to promote them on both the places, let's say you have a website as well as a social media page, so you can apply to be an affiliate and as well as creator. Anything that isn't covered in this video, you can also explore these questions and find the answer. And in this video, we're going to cover both the things. We're going to cover how to apply as an affiliate and how to apply as a creator. So if you want to directly jump to apply as a creator, you can look at the video description. I have mentioned a timestamp there. Just click on the timestamp accordingly. So let's start with apply as an affiliate. For that, let me take you to the website called impact.com. Now, what is Impact and what does that have to do with Chewy? Impact is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Chewy, you must join Impact as an affiliate. Now, Impact call affiliates as publishers, so don't get confused. So how do you create or get an affiliate account with Impact? Simply click on request a demo from the top right hand side, which will take you to this page. Over here within for creators, influencers, and publishers, you can click on sign up as a partner, which will take you to this page. And here you can either continue with Apple, Google, email. That's up to you. But I understand when you're initiating the sign up with any affiliate network out there, that many nuances that you have to be careful of, you have to follow, and I understand the pain. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Impact affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free affiliate or rather the publisher account of Impact. Once you have an account with them, you can come to the website once again. This time, click on sign in, which will take you to the sign in page. Enter your credentials and then click on sign in. It will then take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Chewy, but we're going to keep the focus of our video on the Chewy affiliate program only. To find the affiliate program, simply click on discover and over here you click on find brands, which will take you to this page. Over here, ensure you have clicked on all brands and here start typing Chewy followed by and enter. When you do that, it will search for the affiliate program and will show you a tile for Chewy. So you got this Chewy and then Chewy Canada. So depending on your consumers, let's say if you want to promote it to the consumers of Canada, go with Chewy Canada, otherwise go with Chewy. So I'm going to go with Chewy just for the demo. You can click on the tile will open up this overlay window with the affiliate program details. Let's look at the left hand side. So we got this envelope icon that we can initiate communication with, their team, of course, and then if you scroll down, you get to see more details. But if you look at the right hand side, you got online sell 4% commission. So that means if you bring sales to them, you're gonna get 4% of that as commission. And then they have some top selling products as well. You click on view all to see those products. And ensure you click on view terms as well. When you do that, it will take you to this page. Over here, you would be able to find more details about the payout and of course the things you can do or basically allowed to do and things you're not allowed to do. So ensure you read it as well. And then come back to the overlay window. This time, click on details from the right hand side, and over here you'll be able to see contact details. So in case if you have any question, you can also reach out to the contact available at here. Where the service, we talked about it, you would only be able to receive commission if you're bringing sales to them from United States of America. And then if you scroll down, you get to see more details. Now, let's say you've read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program. For that, you simply click on apply. It will open up this overlay window. Over here, you have to tell Chewy why you want to work on this campaign. Now, this is very important and this will help you in getting approval from Chewy affiliate program team. So ensure you write well, basically write your business model. For me, I have already written. I'm just going to copy and paste here, but in your case, ensure you write it carefully and then click on to contract terms. You read it again just to be sure that you're aligned with their expectation, and then click on apply. When you do that, your application to the Chewy affiliate program team would go. You'll see this message, your application to Chewy is under review, and it could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks' time. How would you know that you have been approved by them? You'll be notified via an email. Once you have received the email, you can log into impact.com affiliate account once again. This time, click on Discover. Click on My Brands. This will take you to the My Brand section. This is a place where you would be able to see all your approved brand, including Chewy. Alright, so you got the approval. Next what? Next you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link. So how do you get or create your tracking link? For that, you can come to the home page and you can look at the left hand side, create a link. Over here from brand section, ensure you click on Chewy, but we are still waiting for Chewy to approve my application. Just for the demo purpose, I'm gonna go with Udemy. And once you have selected the brand, you must take a link that you want to convert to a tracking link. Let's say I want to convert this link, which is like a web page on their website having docs related products. So I can copy this URL and I can come to my Impact account once again and I can mention it in the landing page section. Followed by that, I can click on create. What it will do, it will create the tracking link for me. It did not work for me. The reason being I'm trying to create a link for Chewy using Udemy as a brand. But assuming if you're selecting Chewy from here and you're mentioning the related link, then you would be able to create your tracking link and you would be able to share it with your audience, with your traffic. Now, let's say you don't want to create your own tracking link, but rather you want to use the existing one. For that, you can hover over content. You can click on assets. It will take you to this page. Once here, you can look at the left hand side from brand. You can search for Chewy and you can tick mark on their name. But just for the demo purpose, you guessed it right. I'm gonna go with Udemy. And then from this section, you can decide what kind of link that you want to get for Chewy. Let's say if you're interested in image or banner link, you can click on image and choose any banner that you prefer. Just for the demo, let's say this is the banner link of Chewy. So I'm going to click on it, same way you can click on the banner link of Chewy or any other type of link. Once you do that, it will open up the banner related details. Over here, you would be able to see the preview. If you want, you can download that JPEG file. You can click on asset code, and this is the iframe link code that you can copy and add it to the backend of your website. You can also get just a tracking URL. If you click on get tracking URL, and you can copy it from here. You have an option to change the landing page as well. Through this as well, you can create your tracking link. But rather, if you want to use any existing link, you might want to use asset code, which is an iframe HTML link code, or just use the normal tracking link. So like this, you can explore different available link types and get any link that you prefer. Apart from it, if you want to get other kind of links as well, like product catalogs, you might want to explore this section too. Now, let's say you also have social media presence and you don't want to just get approval for your website, but rather you want to get approval for your social media presence as well. So you definitely should be applying for the creator program. Either this is the case, or if you only have social media presence, then you must be applying for the creator program. To apply for that, you can come to the affiliate program page or Chewy once again. This time, click on apply as a creator. What it will do, it will take you to this page. Over here, you would be able to find more details about the creator program. And to apply for the creator program, you can simply click on join today. It will take you to this page and you have to fill up this form. So you can start by entering your full name, all the information that I'm going to fill in here. That's just for the demo purpose so that you understand how you can go about it. But in your case, ensure you're writing the information accurately, but the best of your knowledge. So you can type in your first name and last name, followed by email address. I'm going to paste my email address in here. Display name, like what's the name of your social media page. You can write it in here. You can choose pronounce. So I'm gonna write he, him. In your case as well, you can choose the pronoun. Then comes your date of birth. You can enter your date of birth too. Uh, Country, location. So I'm gonna select mine. Let me quickly find for myself. In your case as well, ensure you select your country of residence. City, I'm gonna write my city. You can also write your city. Followed by that, you can also write your state or province, and then you can check mark if you're about 18. If yes, just go with yes. Otherwise, go with other option. What type of pets do you own? If you do own any pet, you can tick mark it accordingly. Well, I do have a fish and also a cat, so I'm gonna go with these two, but you can also go with any of these that you prefer. Then social accounts. Let's say you got multiple social accounts. You got like a TikTok, so you can click on connect and you can connect your TikTok account directly with this page. You can also connect your Instagram account. You can also mention your YouTube channel name, which you'll be able to find in the YouTube URL. So if you go to your YouTube channel, if you look at the URL, you'll be able to see something after at the rate. So you can also paste that channel name in here. Let's say I want to promote them on my YouTube channel. So I have copied the name and I've pasted it in here. Same way you can do that. You can also mention other link hub. Maybe if you intend to promote them on different link hub platforms or using different link hub platforms, you can mention the link here accordingly. Then you can also mention your website if you want to give it. And then you can tick mark all this, ensure you read privacy policy, terms and condition, terms of use, privacy and policy. So I'm going to tick mark this, but in order for this to work, ensure you have clicked on all this and you have read it. Otherwise, even if you try to submit it, it won't work. So the action on this is super important. So let me tick mark again, and then you can click on submit. So I got this error message. You must connect either your Instagram or TikTok account. That means even if you want to be a part of the creative program and even if you have a presence in other social media presence, you must have a TikTok or Instagram account. In case if you do have either one of these accounts, you simply click on connect and connect the accounts accordingly. And in that case, when you click on submit, your application would go to the creative program team of Chewy. They'll see whether you could fit for them or not, and based on that, they could give you the approval. It could take again up to a couple of weeks' time for you to wait and for them to review and confirm. And once you have been approved, you'll receive details about the platform at your email only, so you can follow the instructions from there to learn how to get the links and use other resources available at that platform. Right, so you learn how to sign up as an affiliate as well as a creator. But the next question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you've been approved by Chewy, you can start promoting them anywhere on your website. Then you got blog. Let's say you have a blog and you got approval for your blog, so you could write a blog post, maybe on the topics like pet care guides, dog food reviews, pet product comparison, and ensure you're integrating your tracking link with that blog post. So this way, when people would read, if they like it, they click on it, they buy it, you get the commission. Then you got social media. Social media could be great here because let's say you could create TikTok pet videos. You can also have Instagram pet accounts where you can start promoting different products of Chewy. Of course, after creating the content on Instagram pet accounts that you have. You also got YouTube Shorts featuring pets. Maybe you might want to focus on creating YouTube Shorts where you're featuring pets and then you're putting some tracking link for the respective product featured in the video as video description or video comment. This could help you too. As an affiliate, if you got pet website or maybe pet care website, pet blog or animal care website, this could be amazing because people come to these kind of website to learn about pet care, correct? Or basically pet related stuff. So you might want to mention these things on your websites respectively and put your tracking link. This way people would come to your website, and if they buy something using your tracking link, you get commission. So these are some of the amazing ways you could promote Chewy, but the problem that most of the affiliates face is how to get proper traffic. So there are top three traffic sources that I've mentioned, which could help you bringing traffic to Chewy or to your online presence directly. One of them is YouTube. So you might want to create pet product reviews or pet care tutorials on your YouTube account, and maybe put your link again as like description. It could be direct tracking link or maybe a link to your website or online presence. So this way, people would consume that content of yours on YouTube, and if they like it, they'll click on the respective link, leading to more traffic towards your website or directly towards your tracking link for Chewy. Then you also got SEO blogs. So in case if you intend to promote them through blog, ensure you're creating the blog post keeping the SEO in mind. You might want to target keywords like best dog food, best cat toys. So this could help you as well. Then you got TikTok and Instagram Reels. So you might want to focus on creating viral pet content and product showcases, and put your tracking link in the description. This could be amazing as well. So these are some of the traffic sources which could help you getting more traffic for Chewy. You can attract this traffic directly to your online presence or maybe send it to Chewy using a tracking link. That's up to you. Now, let's say you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the Impact Affiliate account once again. However, if you have a creator account with them, you must log in to the creator platform. So, depending on where you are, assuming if you are on Impact and you want to check how you're performing, considering your affiliate account, you can hover over reports and you can click on performance by brand, which will take you to this page. Over here, you would be able to see your performance. You'll be able to see clicks, actions accordingly. And then if you hover over reports, you got performance by day and other reports options as well that you can explore. And if you look at the top right hand side, you'll be able to see your accumulated commission. And if you click on this drop down icon, you'll be able to see balance. If you click on balance, this will provide you the segregation of the commission amount. Pending commission will show you the commission that are yet to be issued to you. Earning history will give you, as the name suggests, history of your earnings. You got invoices section, withdraw balance, and bank actions too. In order for you to receive this commission, ensure you update your payment method. And to update your payment method, you simply click on your avatar icon from the top right hand side, click on settings, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can scroll down to the finance section and then click on bank account, which will then take you to this page. Over here, depending on your location, you might get an option to choose PayPal. Otherwise, you can also go with electronic fund transfer. If you go with PayPal, you can give your PayPal email address, or rather, if you go with electronic fund transfer, you can choose your bank location country and then give the banking details accordingly. You can also choose to receive auto pay when the commission exceeds the given amount, or you can also decide to receive your commission on a fixed day of the month. That's totally up to you. So this is how you can check your performance on Impact, and you can initiate or you can start getting commission from Impact for these sales you're bringing to Chewy. But in case if you have a creator account with them, you can again go to their platform, ensure you have set up the payment details over there, and expect to receive commission from there too. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate and as well as the creator program of Chewy. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, start bringing sales to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helps you in learning all about the affiliate program of Chewy. And as an affiliate, if you want to grow and learn better, there are some amazing resources that I have created for you. There are exclusive as well as free resources. You'll be able to find them in the video description. Get any that you prefer. In the meantime, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know and I'll try my best to create a video on them. Also, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.